Welcome back. Now that we have seen the application of the ending diagonal pattern on currencies and an emerging market index, in this lecture we are going to share what the pattern is saying for gold prices in 2016. Now gold prices made a high over $1,900 way back in 2011. In close to 4 years, the prices tumbled all the way down to around 1050 levels. Around these lows, there didn't seem much hope for gold, as the fundamental analysts would put it. Inflation was low, and in fact the world was facing deflation, and since gold is primarily considered to be a hedge against inflation, the prices were widely expected to head lower. In the second week of December 2015, we issued a report titled "Can Gold Shine in 2016?" This report had this chart on gold. Now as you see here, marked in Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bound by two converging trend lines T1 and T2, you can see a possibly ending diagonal triangle in play. It was a little tough to identify this pattern because it was being preceded by another pattern just before it, which was actually a triangle pattern. We may cover triangle pattern in a later update, but for now what you should note is that the ending diagonal pattern began right where the triangle pattern ended. Now the prices were trading between two converging trend lines as part of this pattern, and thus they created an ending diagonal pattern. Note how there is no conventional confirmation at the time of issue of this report, as the prices haven't yet broken above the line T2, but in this pattern also, a small throwover price action occurred at the end of leg phi, which is what prompted us to issue this report. It has been close to 2 months since, and this is what has unfolded after we issued the report. Now the prices have rallied by close to 13% from their lows in December of 2015. On 4th of Feb in 2016, they happen to have broken above the upper trend line T2. This breakout essentially confirms the pattern. Now that we have seen the conventional confirmation signal associated with the pattern, we can further expect the prices to go up to the start of wave 1, which in this case is close to $1,330. If this pattern works out as expected, then it would mean a return of close to 30% for investors in gold. We'd like to end this module by issuing a disclaimer. Please do not treat this as a trading idea or recommendation. The targets are still quite far off, and there is always the risk that the pattern fails. Also, it will be very expensive for anyone to implement this view using futures, as you might need to roll over contracts often, and there may also be wild swings before the targets are achieved, if at all the prices do reach our targets. We have just used this example to demonstrate how this pattern can be used to identify important change in trends even on very long-term charts. We won't be liable for any losses if you decide to trade based on this analysis and end up losing money.